All right, YouTube channel. So guys, welcome to my brand new YouTube channel called Mr. B's Chemistry Embassy. So it's a new YouTube channel, and in this channel, so we're gonna be discussing everything chemistry. So this channel is actually meant for anybody that is actually interested in learning about chemistry. Yeah, I teach chemistry. I'm a chemistry teacher, and I've been doing this for quite a while. I have several degrees, and one of my degrees is in chemistry. So we're going to be discussing chemistry. It's meant for middle schoolers, for high school, even people that are in college. So what I'm going to do in this brand new channel is that. So look at this book. It's called Pearson's Chemistry. So what I would try to do is I'm going to try to go over this book from chapter 1 all the way to the last chapter. So we're going to discuss everything chemistry. So starting from the smallest thing as matter, then as I'm looking through this channel, so it's going to start from matter and we'll go all the way. Nuclear chemistry, chemical reactions, stoichiometry, state of matter, the behaviors of gases, water and aqueous system, solutions, thermochemistry, reaction rate and equilibrium, acid, base, and salts, oxidation and reduction reaction. So we'll go all the way. So this book has 25 chapters. So every week, so I'll be trying to uploading several YouTube videos talking about chemistry. So I just want to introduce you guys to my brand new channel. Once again, it's going to be called the chemistry, Mr. B's Chemistry Embassy, where we discuss everything chemistry. So guys, if you're having problem with chemistry, this is the right channel for you. So I'm going to try to break chemistry down as much as I can. I'm using live experiences, using things around us that would actually allow us to be able to understand anything chemistry. So once again, chemistry is not hard. I know when people hear about chemistry, oh, they get the jitters. Oh, chemistry is hard. Oh, calculations and everything. Oh, chemistry is not. Come here, let me tell you something. You can do this. Chemistry is really easy. I guarantee you. If you follow me on this channel, you will understand everything chemistry. And and it's good for high school, as like I said, it's going to prepare you for college, for universities, and for future. So everything chemistry is going to be discussed on my channel. So once again, guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. It's called Mr. B's Chemistry Embassy. So let's get it moving. And I hope that you guys will follow me on this journey of knowing more about chemistry. And I'll be giving you tricks, in and out on this channel. So it will really help me if you guys could spread the word. Subscribe to my new YouTube channel, and let's grow this channel. Thank you, guys. Hope to see you next time. Next time that I upload a video, then we will be diving into chemistry. All right, see you guys. Bye.